Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to publish a Shopify store. First, log into your account. Now, click on the online store that you want to publish. Then click on Preferences. After that, you can scroll down and you can change or add a homepage title or a description for your store. Then under Store Access, as you can see, it has a password. You need to eliminate this password for it to be visible to the public. For you to do that, you need to pick a plan. Just choose a plan based on your liking. As you can see, I don't have a plan, but I will show you what it would be like if you have one. Here, you can see a checkbox beside Restrict Access to Visitors with a password. What you need to do is to unselect it or uncheck it, and that will enable your visitors or the public to visit your site. After that, just click on Save and you're done. Your store is now visible to the public where they can view it, and it is now published. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more.